Hi, it's Jeff from Nature Watch, and I'm excited to show you our Hummingbird Feeder Activity Kit. With this kit, each child gets to make and take home their very own real working hummingbird feeder. The kit includes everything you need. The kit uses this plastic tube or vial to hold a sugary water that hummingbirds love to feed on. However, hummingbirds also love flowers, so we've created these die-cut red and orange petals to include on your project so that hummingbirds will feel right at home. Our kits include everything you need. They're aligned to NGSS, which is the National Science Standards, and they include stem extensions. They end up costing about $1 to $1.50 per child, depending on the kit, and each kit is prepared for either 25 or 100 projects, depending on your group size. Our kits are hands-on, fun learning. They're all project-based, and it's nice because you don't need a science teacher in order to teach science. Our kits come with a manual that will help you not only learn how to make the project, but how to deliver some of the educational content as well. Hummingbird Feeder Activity Kit is available at nature-watch.com. Thanks from all of us at Nature Watch.